Right, another one for advancing car. Just a little quick one about a Thinkware dash cam update I've done basically. So this is it's quite an old customer of ours actually. Worked on a couple of his vehicles and things, and lovely chap. And he's come back because he just wanted a newer model of Thinkware basically. So he had the U1000, which is not a bad camera, and it had the separate radar and obviously rear camera. I didn't want to hold all three though because I was a bit juggling. But obviously these were mounted at the front. So if we just come around, I'll sort of show you. It was you know, in the standard place where the camera fits, and then this was obviously mounted over the other side of the binnacle. So you know, getting quite busy and things, but you know, obviously still did its job and was working. But he wanted basically an update for a tidier all-in-one system. So he's got the U3000 with the built-in radar and everything, and the rear camera as well. But the other thing he also found was that he was just, because he'd been in there a good few years and he uses the car a lot, he'd found that there was just a few little niggly issues coming up. And actually, as I was replacing the front to rear cable, I found that in that rear grommet at the back, where the tailgate comes up and you have the grommet that comes through, the cable had just started to split slightly. So I mean, that's the standard thing in a lot of cars anyway. You find it with cars that the looms in either tailgates or door grommets and things, just through that constant motion of moving, they can sometimes start to wear. So all I've done is just allowed a little bit more slack in there, just so it's got a bit more freedom to move, which will be all good. But yeah, it's just nice camera that's gone in, updated all the system. It's got the newer app that it works with, which has got a much nicer interface for using, connecting to and things like that. It's far easier. I know we've had customers before when, you know, handing over and showing them how to use the older style app and the different way you had to connect it and things, they, you know, found it quite confusing. But this new style is loads easier to use. So he'll be pleased with that. And obviously you get all the extra features with it. I mean, I think this one was 4K anyway, so very similar video quality in terms of how it all works. The newer U3000 obviously means you can use the Thinkware Connected app, which we haven't actually had to get involved with really just yet, but it's like a whole system you can use, but you can read up on that. But yeah, it was just a quick one really, just to tell you about a Thinkware that we've updated. Fitted all nicely as always. Yeah, and I think he's gonna be very happy with it. So that's about it really. Catch you again soon. Keep checking out all the videos, and get in touch if you'd like something similar. Thanks for watching.